There are many products available to choose cat litters, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cat litters from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Special Kitty Odor Control. If you're looking to pay less and don't mind the occasional sweep around the litter box to pick up a few tracked granules, this Walmart exclusive costs much less than others. Like our best overall choice, it's composed of bentonite clay, which forms tight clumps and helps speed up your scooping time. This fresh scent choice receives the most 5-star reviews, but it is strongly fragranced, so it's best for cats and owners who are less sensitive to perfume. Alternatively, there's a fragrance-free variety. Many online reviewers using this litter have multiple cats and need to clean daily, so this light-on-the-wallet brand is especially attractive for them. Each 20-pound easy-pour plastic jug lasts at least a month for one cat, and the jug can be recycled. Number 2. Fresh Step Advanced. Vets recommend unscented litter for finicky cats and for kittens, but of course, cat owners don't ever want to be able to smell the litter box. Picky cats or no? We home-tested this with a family whose litter box sits in the hallway, and the odor control was top-notch, especially considering this is unscented litter. The brand says it uses activated charcoal to help neutralize odors. You should be able to go a few days without scooping if you have just one cat, and a month and a half without changing out the whole litter box. The brand also claims these smooth granules are easy on a cat's or kitten's small paws. We did notice less tracking with this litter, but it doesn't clump as tightly as other clay litters on this list. Maybe because the granules are on the larger side. The litter pours easily out of a hole in the side of the box. It's not dust-free, but if odor fighting is your top priority, this is a good option. Number 3. Tidy Cats, Tidy Care Alert. The premise of color-changing crystal cat litter, like this one in Pretty Litter, further down on our list, is that the silica gel crystals turn a certain color if your cat is having a health issue. Normal, healthy cat urine should make the crystals yellow or olive green. Any other color, including red or blue, could signal a need for a trip to the vet for a possible health concern. We tested Tidy Care both in our lab and in homes. Our experts report that the granules can absorb their own mass in liquid. Indeed, all of our testers gave it a perfect score for absorbing urine effectively, and noted that it also killed the smell. For liquid waste, you stir the crystals daily so your cat doesn't keep peeing on the same litter. Solid waste is not absorbed, you'll want to scoop that daily or every few days to avoid odors. For one cat, you'll need to change out all the litter once a month and put it in a fresh bag. Number 4. sWheat Scoop. Online reviewers who have older cats with sensitive paws, picky cats, or cats with scent sensitivities or dust allergies gravitate toward this soft, unscented litter that's made up of granules of wheat with no added fragrances or chemicals. sWheat Scoop claims to biodegrade and be safe to flush. We did not try the flushing part, though. Remember, flushing litter is not allowed in California. You can compost the litter when you do a total box changeover, not the cat poop, only the excess litter. Users looking out for the environment will appreciate that the wheat is domestically grown, and the brand says it's a more renewable resource than clay, the main ingredient in most traditional clumping litters. The 25-pound bag comes with an easy open top. The con with this is that it doesn't control odors as well as other picks on our list. You'll want to scoop daily to keep odors at bay if your litter box sits in a bathroom that humans also use. Number 5. Tidy Cats Lightweight. An older relative of mine turned me on to this Tidy Cats variety that is easy to handle and use, even if you don't have a lot of arm strength. The 17-pound package stretches as far as 35 pounds of regular clay litter, according to the brand. The granules are light and easy to pour, scoop, and haul away in a garbage bag. The con is that it's so lightweight it goes everywhere if your cat tracks it, my cousin noted. But since she carries litter down to a basement litter box, she likes this lightweight option. Some online reviewers said it sticks to their cat's paws, but others said they didn't have that issue, so tracking might vary cat to cat. This version of Tidy Cats does clump, and it does include a light scent. For real fragrance buffs, there is a lightweight version scented with Glade that, if your cat accepts it, can practically double as a room freshener. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.